Welcome back, Treasure Valley. I am always excited to have Jessica Bennett joining us from the Boise Bully Breed Rescue. Thanks again for showing up with another one of your fabulous adoptable dogs.
Thank you for having us.
Who do we have today?
This is Red.
Hi, Red. Well, he.
And
is it a little boy?
He's a boy.
Yeah, he certainly is Red.
And he has a beautiful coat. He's very shiny and sweet.
And reacts very well to peanut butter.
He loves
cookies.
peanut butter, loves cookies. He's food motivated, so that makes him easy to train.
Oh, I like food. I'm food motivated. Yes. That's kind of a good thing.
You're easy to train too.
Well, not according to my
trainable.
husband, however. Yeah, okay, so let's find out a little bit about Red then, shall we?
Red is just shy of 2 years old He is about a year and 8 months. His foster mom, who came with us today.
I see, she's over there filming.
She's been working so hard at getting him trained
Okay.
and manners, and he walks on the river path and meets people.
So, and that's not a big deal for him.
Oh no, he does great. He does great. And see, he wears this halty, which I should have taken off. He makes him look like he's unmanageable, but he's not. I use a halty on my dog too. And they're a great little head harness, and it puts control where you need it, and you don't need any muscle. You just be like, hey, come on back here.
And then, look at him.
He's
following
like, I will
that
go
peanut butter like
anywhere.
nobody's business.
But he's also starting to learn some little bit of agility, you know, just fun stuff in the backyard, but he has potential.
Now, do you guys have somebody who, because I know even getting a regular dog, they, unless you have like an owner's manual for dogs and for training, you don't necessarily know how to do, teach them some tricks. And I know that maybe training a bully is a little bit different. Does the Boise Bully Breed Rescue, do they have opportunities to have people come out to your house and help train? Or
oh, sure,
what does that look like?
We have a bunch of trainers that we work with, but the one that I've worked with and have had such great rapport with is Ree over at Frenchie's.
Oh, I love her. Love.
And it sounds like she might be starting an additional training business called A Balanced Pack, which is cool because it kind of has that Caesar mentality, you know, the pack.
No, and that's how she said she trains hers when she gets them over there.
And so she's a great resource for us and helps us with things that we don't know what to do with. And
so do we know when she'll be available to help train? Or
I don't know, I think you'll have to maybe look at her website, which is probably Frenchies.com, and see what she might have to offer. And also, oh looky, he's like, I know, hands clean. But or BoiseBullyBreedRescue.com, that you'll have a ton of resources on there. And
I know that the Boise Bully Breed Rescue has really gone to the ends of the earth for the dogs that they actually end up rescuing. Very much like we were talking about Smooch, that little girl that we took over to the animal hospital.
And she was on here last month. You had her on here with us last month.
I just fell in love with her. She's amazing.
Yeah.
But it's amazing to me what they have to go through before we finally get them and get to save them.
Yes.
I can't even imagine.
People don't realize it, but it's hundreds of dollars per dog that we put into them as the rescue, and then a very small adoption fee.
Yeah,
you get to take
it's
them
hardly
home.
anything.
But between training, vet packages, just learning about them, and sometimes they do need a little training. Sometimes they do need a little boarding.
Right.
If we as fosters have somewhere to be, and they have to go to boarding for a weekend, that costs the rescue money. But that's why we are a philanthropy. Driven a philanthropic organization. We rely on donations and the kindness of people donating goods, services, and time, and fostering.
Right. So if they want to go and foster, or they want to go to Adopt Red, then they should go to
BoiseBullyBreedRescue.com.
.com, not .org. Don't forget about that.
And real quick, this little boy lives with a family. He has little kids. He does great with them.
Fantastic.
And is a fun family friend who I suspect would also, come here, Red. I think he'd be great with rollerblades or biking and
more
such,
than likely.
Because he's an athlete. He needs a walk every day, but they all do.
Thank you very much for joining us today and bringing Red. We appreciate it, and we'll be right back after these messages.
Thank you.